This is one of the most important things that will help you answer the question set for this video. But before I show you more of that, let me ask you this question. For EVs, how long would EV tires really last in Singapore? 20,000? 40,000? Or would you even say 60,000 kilometers? In my experience, this is a dangerous question to answer with just one number. Because tire life is not only about tire, it is also about the car, the driver, the route, the weather, and the maintenance. And this is a part many EV owners may not like to hear. EVs are fast, powerful, quiet, smooth and heavy. But at the same time, we also expect the tires not to wear. In Chinese, we say, 要马儿跑，要马儿不吃草. It means you want the horse to run, but you don't want the horse to eat. In other words, you can't have your cake and eat it too. So for EV, maybe we can say it this way. 又要电车快，又要轮胎耐, which means you want the EV to fly, but the tire must never die. Nice rhyme, right? But sadly, physics don't work like this. Hi, I'm Edmund from Tyre Limited. So in this video, I want to explain how EV tires should really last in Singapore. And more importantly, what makes them wear faster or last longer. As a practical guide, many EV tires in Singapore may last around 30,000 to 50,000 kilometers for normal drivers. But please don't treat this as a promise. It's more like a generic expectation. This is because some drivers wear out their tires below 30,000 kilometers, but others can stretch beyond 50,000 kilometers. The difference is usually not necessarily different tires. Even given the exact same tire size, the difference is due largely to driving style, tire pressure, rotation, and route usage. But of course, tire choice plays a part too. This also links back to one of my previous videos about driving your EV smoothly. If you keep using instant torque from traffic light to traffic light, the tire is quietly paying for that enjoyment. EVs are so smooth that many drivers don't realize they are accelerating hard. Inside the cabin, everything feels calm, but outside, the tires are handling weight, torque, brake force, and road friction. So the first factor in getting better mileage on your EV tires is your driving style. If you accelerate smoothly, drive progressively, and use regenerative braking properly, your tires usually have a better chance of lasting longer. By the way, smooth does not mean slow. Smooth means control. The second factor is tire pressure. Does your EV have a built-in OETPMS that shows the actual tire pressure? If you have, please don't ignore the warning. It is one of the most useful features for protecting your tires. But if your car does not have a direct TPMS showing live tire pressure, you can consider getting the still-made TPMS. At our shop, we can also help set the lower tire pressure warning properly, so you can get alert earlier before the tire pressure runs too low. And again, if you don't have a direct TPMS, then keep this simple habit. Check and top up your tire pressure monthly. Slow pressure loss is normal. Ignoring it for months is what makes a tire wear faster. That's because when tire pressure is too low, the tire flexes more, heat up more, and wear faster. For EVs, it may also affect driving efficiency and range. So this small habit can protect both your tire life and your battery range. The third factor to get more miles on your tire is tire rotation. For many cars, rotating the tires around every 10,000 km is a good habit, depending on your tire setup and wear pattern. But not every EV can rotate the same way. Some tires are directional. Some EVs have staggered tire sizes. Some cars can cross-rotate. Some rotate front to rear. Some can only rotate left to right. By the way, honestly, do you rotate your tires at all? Let me know in the comments below. The fourth factor is tire behavior. If you notice wheels spin easily, slipping during wet acceleration, ABS activating more often, or the tire feeling nervous in the rain, don't wait until the tire is bald. Yes, brakes stop the wheels or trigger the ABS when the brake pedal is pushed hard. But even if your brakes work, they can lock up the wheels and cause the tires to skid, because it is the tire that actually stops the vehicle, not the brakes. That's why good tires can make such noticeable difference in braking confidence and control. So do get your tires inspected regularly, because tire life is not only measured by tread depth, it is also measured by confidence. A tire may still have some tread left, but it is no longer giving you wet confidence. It may already be telling you something. For EV drivers, this is especially important. As you know, EV are usually quiet and heavy. So when the tire starts losing confidence, you may feel it during wet braking, cornering, or sudden lane changes. So here a practical guide. If your EV tires last around 20 to 30,000 kilometers, it may be due to strong torque, aggressive driving, more stop and go traffic, low tire pressure, or poor tire matching. If your EVs last around 30 to 50,000 kilometers, I will say that it is a reasonable expectation for many Singapore EV owners, especially if tire pressure is maintained properly and rotation is done regularly. But if your EV tire lasts more than 50,000 kilometers, then congratulations! Usually you are doing these few things in your car. First, you are a gentle driver. Your choice of tire in the form of the compound is more mileage friendly, and certainly the tire pressure is well maintained, and rotation is done regularly. Speaking of tire pressure, if you don't want to keep visiting the petrol station, a tire shop or agent workshop just to pump your tire to maintain the tire pressure, you can consider keeping this Steelmate V12 SE tire inflator in your car. While your EV is charging, you can also check your tires and top up the pressure at the same time. By the way, please remember this. Long-lasting tires do not always mean better. If the tire lasts very long because the compound is very hard, but the wet grip is weak, these tires might not be really suitable for Singapore's rainy weather. This is why at Tyre Limited, we don't like to sell tires using mileage alone. A good EV tire should give a sensible balance, reasonable lifespan, wet confidence, comfortable, stability, and value. This is where Lasa EV tires comes in, especially Lasa Rivola and Lasa Computers HP3. They are not positioned as the cheapest tires. They are for drivers who want a smarter balance, EV ready, comfortable, wet confidence, and sensible tire life. Not many car owners know this. Lasa tires are produced by Brisa Bridgestone Sabanci Tire Manufacturing and Trading Incorporated. It is a company formed through the partnership of Bridgestone Corporation of Japan and Sabanci Holding of Turkey. So behind Lasa, there's a strong manufacturing background, and now Tyre Limited is supporting Lasa tires locally here in Singapore, with providing their stock, fitting the tires, balancing, rotating, and even give practical tire advice for EV, hybrid, SUV, and MPV owners. Oh, by the way, for Lasa, Rivola, and Computers HP3, the UTQG treadwear rating is 320. But please understand this properly. Treadwear 320 is a comparative rating. It is not a promise that the tire will definitely last a fixed number of kilometers. In simple terms, for many normal drivers, a treadwear 320 tire may give a practical expectation around 40 to 50,000, depending on driving style, tire pressure, route usage, alignment condition, and rotation. I can really talk a lot more on all the technical specs behind a tire, but I think it might bore the rest of you in this video. So if you want to hear more from me, why not come down to my tire shop at Carlos Center? look for Tyre Private Limited at the 3rd floor. And if you are also looking for an EV tire that balances wet confidence, comfort, sensible lifespan and value, and also a good aftermarket TPMS system to install in your car, there's even more reason for you to come by. Anyway, do help me to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss the next video on EV tires, okay? Drive safe and I will see you in the next video.